In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Invoice effectively, guiding you through the primary features you'll see upon logging into the platform. Zoho Invoice is a comprehensive invoicing tool that helps small businesses streamline their billing processes. Let's dive in and get you familiar with the dashboard. Once you've logged in, the first thing you'll notice is the Home tab. This area gives you an overview of your invoicing activities, providing a snapshot of your outstanding invoices, recent transactions, and other critical financial details. It's like your command center, offering the most pertinent information at a glance to keep you on track. Viewing your business's financial health immediately can be an excellent way to start your day. Next, we have the Customers tab. This is where you'll manage all your client information. Keeping customer data organized is crucial, and in Zoho Invoice, you can easily add new customers or import them from other platforms. Be sure to fill out as much information as possible for each customer, including their email address and company details, to make invoicing more efficient in the long run. Moving on, let's talk about the Items tab. Here, you can manage the products and services you offer. You can add new items, assign them codes, and set their pricing. This tab not only helps in organizing what you sell, but also makes generating invoices quicker and more seamless. Keeping this section updated ensures pricing consistency and reduces errors, especially if you frequently add or change products. Next up are quotes. This feature is designed for sending prospective customers a breakdown of costs before they commit to purchasing. Turning a quote into an invoice is easy, saving you time and reducing duplicate data entry. It's a great tool that provides flexibility and transparency in the sales process. The Invoices tab is where you'll spend a lot of time creating and sending bills to your customers. With Zoho Invoice, you can customize and brand your invoices easily, setting your business apart. It's important to provide clear terms of payment and include relevant information to avoid any payment delays. For businesses that have regular, ongoing transactions with clients, the Recurring Invoices feature will be a time saver. Set up automated invoices for regular services offered, ensuring you never miss out on billing a repeat client. The Credit Notes tab is where you can manage returns or adjustments. This helps maintain accurate accounting records and reflects changes in your invoices seamlessly. Moving on, the Expenses section allows you to track and categorize your business spending, taking control of your bills and payments more predictably. Time tracking is an invaluable feature if you bill based on hours worked. You can clock in time directly on Zoho Invoice and convert it into invoices, simplifying your workflow. Finally, the Reports feature is your go-to for analyzing your business's performance. It offers various templates to understand your financial status, giving insights necessary for future planning. By familiarizing yourself with these features, you'll be able to utilize Zoho Invoice to its full potential, making your invoicing process seamless and efficient. Let's get started and make your billing management a breeze.